Drinking chia seed water on an empty stomach in the morning can have several potential benefits for your health. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients and offer various advantages when consumed this way. Here are 7 potential advantages. Nutrient-rich, chia seeds are an excellent source of essential nutrients, including fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming them in the morning can help kickstart your day with a nutrient boost. Weight management. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially reducing your overall calorie intake throughout the day. This may aid in weight management and help prevent overeating. Hydration. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, making them an excellent source of hydration. Drinking chia seed water can help keep you hydrated in the morning, which is crucial after a night's sleep. Digestive health. The soluble fiber in chia seeds can support digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. This can be particularly beneficial when consumed on an empty stomach. Energy boost. Chia seeds provide a steady release of energy due to their complex carbohydrates and protein content. Starting your day with chia seed water may help you maintain energy levels throughout the morning. Omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of alpha-linoleic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 seconds are important for heart and brain health, and consuming them in the morning can be a healthy choice. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that chia seeds may help stabilize blood sugar levels, which can be especially important for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. To prepare chia seed water, you can mix a tablespoon or 2 of chia seeds with a glass of water or other liquid and let it sit for a few minutes to allow the chia seeds to absorb the liquid and form a gel-like consistency. You can also add a touch of honey, lemon, or other flavorings to enhance the taste. Remember to consume this drink in moderation, as chia seeds are calorie-dense. However, it's essential to note that while chia seeds offer these potential benefits, individual reactions may vary, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.